Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make elderberry wine using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 3 pounds of ripe elderberries, sugar, water, and wine yeast. Next, ensure all your equipment is completely sanitized. This crucial step prevents contamination. Finally, gently crush the elderberries to release their rich juices, preparing them for the next stage. Now, let's prepare the must. Combine your crushed elderberries with 2 pounds of sugar and 1 gallon of hot water in a large pot. Stir this mixture thoroughly until all the sugar is fully dissolved. It's important to ensure no sugar crystals remain. Then, allow the liquid to cool down to approximately 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for adding your wine yeast. With your must cooled, it's time for fermentation. Add 1 packet of your chosen wine yeast to the elderberry mixture, stirring it in gently. Next, carefully transfer this mixture into a sanitized primary fermenter. Securely attach an airlock to the fermenter lid. Allow the wine to ferment for about 5 to 7 days, or until the vigorous bubbling activity noticeably slows down. After primary fermentation, it's time to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the wine into a clean secondary fermenter, being sure to leave any sediment behind. This process clarifies your wine. Now, age the wine for at least 3 months. This allows the flavors to mature beautifully. Finally, bottle your delicious elderberry wine and store it in a cool, dark place to enjoy later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.